Whitney Houston, who really inspired a lot of us, even myself. How I got over, how I made it over. You know my soul, look back and wonder, how did I make it over? Tell me how I got over, Lord. I had a mighty hard time coming on over. You know my soul, look back and wonder, how did I make it over? Lord, as soon as I see Jesus, Lord, the man that died for me, Lord, the man that bled and suffered, and he hung on Calvary. And Lord, I want to thank God for all he's taught me. Now I want to thank God for all he's brought me. Oh, thank my God how he kept me. Oh, I want to thank God because he never left me. Hey, I want to thank God for good time religion. I want to thank God for giving me his vision. One day I'm going to join the heavenly choir. I'm going to sing and never get tired. And then I'm going to sing, swear on God's altar. I'm going to shout, all my troubles over. You know, I just want to thank God. Thank him for being so good to me. Oh, I'm going to walk the streets of gold in that homeland of the soul. And then I'm going to view the host in white. They've been tussling day and night, coming up from every nation. They're gonna wait till my great coronation, coming from the north, south, east, and west. I'm gonna wait to a land of rest, and then I'm gonna join the heavenly choir. I'm gonna sing and never get tired, and then I'm gonna sing somewhere on God's altar. Lord, I'm gonna shout, all my troubles over. You know I wanna thank God. Thank him for being so. I just got to thank God. Thank him for being so. I've just got to thank